It was 2021 when Riel and I started the podcast na walang ina-expect kung paano siya mag-turn out kasi gusto lang talaga namin magkaroon ng platform kung saan ma-continue yung pagcha-champion ng HIV awareness. So, the reason na pause feed yung initial title ng podcast, it's because it was mainly focused sa HIV awareness talaga. Istorya Chris Curry, kasi we're both Ilonggos. So, it was really a struggle to build up. Pero initially naman talaga bet lang namin tsumika ng tsumika. Kasi nga, pandemic, parang na-stop yung mga speaking engagements. So, wala na kaming space to talk about things. So yun, we came up with a podcast. Sinong makikinig? We did not really care about it. We just wanted to have a space. Yung IKK podcast for the past 4 years, naging safe space siya. For me, it has become a safe space. And I think also for my co-hosts, nakita namin yung big improvements for the past 4 years. And that's because of the people na nandyan along the way to support the IKK podcasts. Yung mga tao na hindi naman bayad pero go lang sa pag-help. I think one of the biggest pride is that when we were able to achieve a brand partnership at hindi lang siya basta brand, it's jelly time, diba? So, mas na-boost yung confidence namin producing contents for sexual health, for sexual positivity because may naniwala sa amin na brand. I'm really thankful of the podcast because of the journey, because of the growing family. Of course, nakikita lang ng viewers ako, si Riel, si Doc Lou, si H, but we also have a huge support system behind the camera, behind the microphone. So we have Direct Well, Direct Gerald. Other than that, meron din naman ibang taong naniniwala sa platform ng AKK. We have Voice by Love Yourself, especially si Mayora, si Dennis. They really believe na we can be the platform for stories that really matter. Although struggling, we will continue to produce more episodes for as long as merong nakikinig kahit isa lang. It's really a journey. Pero napagod din, like any other human being. We rest, we recharge, and we come back. Now that we are close to our 100th episode, oh my God, from zero. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga abyan for always tuning in, for always supporting sa kung ano man mga naging paandar namin. And of course, sa lahat ng mga naging partners, sa lahat ng mga tao behind the camera, and padayon lang.
Yung tumatak siguro sa akin na episode, yung kay Nay Elena, even though alam ko na kasi yung story niya before, pero iba pa rin yung na-interview mo siya personally, kahit online lang yun, through Zoom. Iba pa rin yung marinig mo yung kwento coming from her, the courage, everything. Yung pinaka-nagustuhan kong topic, yung mga red flags, yung gano'n. Yung red flags, yun yung favorite ko. In the past 4 years, siguro yung naging impact ng IKK is na-widen natin yung reach natin. And personally, sa akin naman on my end, I was able to tell my story somehow kahit paano. Parang ano din siya, I became the voice for the voiceless. Naniniwala ako na for the coming years, mag-stay ang IKK podcast. At ang hope ko ay sana marami pang ma-inspire, sana marami pang ma-enjoy. Gaya ng sabi mo, yung iba kasi parang, hindi lang naman sa atin, di ba? Yung iba kasi pinapakinggan yung mga podcast for white noise, for ganon, pampatulog. So, sana dumami sila, di ba? Kahit ako din naman personally, meron din akong pampatulog na sa akin, na yun talaga yung go-to ko. So, yun. Sana maging go-to nila tayo. Sa mga abyan natin dyan, na listeners, keep on thriving sa buhay. Kasi, our stories might inspire you, pero at the end of the day, you have the capacity to control your own story. So kung ano man yung story mo sa buhay, ikaw din yung may ano.
Being with IKK Podcast, simula nung nakasali ako dito, like maybe a year or more than a year ago, naramdaman ko sa sarili ko na walang impact. Hindi, joke lang. For me, sobrang life-changing siya. Ang daming nabago sa takbo ng buhay ko, sa career ko bilang streamer, and for me, yung opportunity na yon hindi ko makakalimutan. So, sobrang thankful ako sa IKK kasi mas na-experience ko pa yung mga bagay na dati pinapangarap ko lang gawin. Tulad ng pagpa-podcast. Hopeful ako na mas lumawak pa yung reach ng IKK Podcast. Mas dumami yung makikinig dahil sobrang ganda talaga ng mga binibigay naming lessons and kulitan din at the same time. Thank you IKK Podcast for this opportunity and happy anniversary.
I'm still really grateful that I was considered by Vane and Riel to become a part of the regular cast. IKK means a lot to me because it has taught me to be more expressive and more clear about my opinion, especially on air. I hope that in the coming years, IKK will continue to impact more lives and continue to touch more people. Again, happy anniversary IKK. I love you all.
Happy 4th anniversary IKK. What an amazing, fantastic, talented, and committed group of people to work with. And I'm inspired by them every day. I'm more open on the things, especially those that we don't normally talk about. I just hope that the next 4 years will be as impactful as the past 4 years. And I'm excited to be part of it for many years to come. And the entire team continued success as we're going forward. Now, I just want to say thank you for being on the team and to all the people who share their stories to our viewers and listeners as well. Again, congratulations IKK, happy anniversary, and we wish you luck.
Hi, ha? Yung crown? Hala, sorry. Nakasuot pala, hindi ko namalayan. Hindi ko natanggal, naglaba kasi ako. Alam niyo naman, pag next international, sobrang busy at dapat represent lagi kahit naglalaba. Cherries! Happy 4th anniversary IKK Podcast. And I would like to take this opportunity para magpasalamat sa inyong apat, Doc Lou, Kuya Har, Riel, at of course Vane, for making my working hours productive. Kasi imbis na tinutulog ko yung shift ko, sorry TM, ay gising na gising ako at buhay na buhay dahil sa pakikinig ko sa inyo. So habang nag-work ako, parang may kachikahan lang ako ng mga kaibigan kasi you guys are not just relatable but at the same time very informative pagdating sa advocacy na pinaglalaban natin. I'm praying for you guys to have a good and long run. Tapatan ninyo ang Itbulaga sa kanilang year na tumatakbo. Deadma sa mga bashers at sa mga walang originality. And yun, more power to you guys. I love you all. Kasi next up, magluluto kasi darating na yung asawa ko. Let's go.
Marami pong salamat sa IKK Podcast for featuring our volunteers po na Love Yourself, lalo-lalo na po yung nagdo-duty po sa ating community centers, as well as yung pag-feature din po sa mga usapin tungkol sa ating sexual health, lalo-lalo na po yung paano po ba natin mapapaigting yung ating protection, lalong-lalo na po from STI and of course HIV. Voice is very happy with the collaboration with four of our very committed volunteers, H, Vane, Riel, and Doc Lou, and we look forward to more collaborations in the near future. Maraming pong salamat sa pagtingkilik sa IKK Podcast, and hopefully we could have more episodes.
Alam niyo yung feeling na parang sa kwarto ka lang with friends, tapos nakikipagkikihang ka, ganun siya. Nakikipaglantian, nakikipagtawanan, ganun siya. And also, napapaisip ako minsan, para siyang counseling session na walang resibo, girl. And syempre as part of Love Yourself, sobrang na-appreciate ko sa sila kasi hindi lang sila nag-entertain. They also talk about our yung mahalaga sa community natin, like self-love, safe spaces, and our advocacy. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng podcast na pang-entertainment with empowerment, girl, ito na yun.
The experience of being interviewed in the podcast, I felt that it was a safe space for me to be able to share my experiences and at the same time educate everyone listening about the lesbian community. And thankful ako kay Vane at saka kay Riel kasi they were very accommodating and very open with what I have to say and what I have experienced, and appreciative ako dun sa part na they were asking the right questions. They made me feel safe, and at the same time, sobrang nag-enjoy ako kasi hindi lang siya yung mga questions na pwedeng sagutin naman ng search engine, but makikita mo talaga yung human side ng LGBTQ community. And I would like to thank Vane and Riel for being so open and being so open-minded actually sa lahat ng spectrum ng LGBTQ community and for shedding light to those who need it most. And hopefully, through the podcast and through my episode, meron kayong natutunan at hopefully mas marami pang maka-reach out yung podcast in the future at meron kayo pang matutunan from the podcast. Happy anniversary to the IKK podcast. I wish you all the best in everything and sana mas madami pang episodes na dumating.
Congratulations and happy 4th anniversary to you, KK Podcast. Keep on telling hashtag Incredible Stories to my dear friend Vane Pescador and partner Riel. You guys are amazing for providing a safe space platform for every members of our community to tell their stories and amplifying their voices and helping create ripples of positive change. Keep up the good work. I love you guys and see you soon.
Hi everyone, my name is Kim Ruiz, your Mix Love Yourself 2024 World greeting IKK Podcast a happy 4th anniversary! Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy that naging part ako ng IKK Podcast through our guesting last year when I joined Mix Love Yourself 2024. Sobrang happy ng feeling na nakapag-share ako ng sarili ko to our fellow volunteers through IKK Podcast. So, Vane, Doc Lou, Riel, Harwigo, maraming salamat for sharing your platform. You're doing an extra help sa ating organization para mapakalat pa yung mga magagandang balita. Thank you so much for your contribution. And I just wish, na marami pa tayong collaborations na magawa in the future. Yes. And I'll see you all soon. God bless. And again, happy anniversary.